Hello everybody, I just wanted to provide an update on the crypto market, specifically Bitcoin, because things are getting interesting. We received what we were looking for. We've got a test bar. Is this a valid test bar? Yes. We've got a daily bar close on or beyond the lowest price action, which is this wick. And it basically closes right on or slightly below, so that is valid. So this is last day's bar. That's a bar that is complete. We've got a 21 touch. I would even say that's a stacked up test bar in the mid frame, because it's an excitable price action event. So overall, let's just review this, or we can look at this chart. The weekly price went after the Trump election, November 6th, here went swiftly to the 100k level. So this is where we are. The 100 level was tested several times. We can see here it was the second test was even higher. The bulls could not produce a stop run move beyond the level. So this is a test. A test is always good, especially if it goes beyond, because it weakens this barrier, right? Every big number is a barrier, and this has weakened it. Well, we've got a consolidation, right? Well, the consolidation, the 100k goes right through the consolidation. Well, that's not ideal, right? So the minimum we need is a sell-off. Well, that's what we have here. We could even get a further sell-off, because we need to break, if price should make a new high, we need to break that level. So that's kind of heavy resistance, right? Right after entry. Let's see if this is enough, if that's a test bar, and if a rebreak, if that basically flashes another buy signal into Bitcoin, or whether we need to see another sell-off, right? Need more energy into the system for producing this strong bullish up move, breaking the level. But overall, I'm quite happy. Well, we got what we were looking for. We've got a test bar, we had the sell-off, we've got the 21 touch. So that's the requirement. That's a healthy pullback and a refresher. Let's have a quick look at Ethereum. So Ethereum had this sell-off as well. This second, let's have a quick look back. Yeah. So this sell-off here in Ethereum produced a test bar lower. Well, that was not the case for Bitcoin. Well, now Bitcoin breaks to a new low, and Ethereum does not break to a new low, right? So that could mean that we have seen the low already in Ethereum, and that could mean that, well, if we've seen the low, well, then maybe we've seen the low in Bitcoin as well. So how do we know? Let's move back to Bitcoin. How do we know that we are not going to see a new, like if this was the low or not? Well, we can only get an idea if we look at one, or at a few time frames lower. Well, let's have a look here to 40-minute chart. This is a sell-off. So here we see a pullback to the 21. So within a downtrend, that's a very normal thing, 21 pullback. So here we've got a consolidation. This could develop into an S1 short, right? So we could see another sell-off. So sell-off of an equal length, right? So this could go lower. But we could as well, I mean, the market will tell, right? It will basically tell us that let's just say this develops into an S1 short, and it triggers a short signal. Well, if you produce a stop run move, then basically we should see a strong, an additional, like a second strong sell-off of equal size, or we could see that this produces a rebreakdown, and then it fails, right? So an S1 short pattern that fails, well, that's a counter trend signal too. So basically my eye goes to the 15-minute just to see what is going to happen. Or we might see a test bar here, and it might never rebreak, and we might see it cross above the 200, which is resistance. That would be bullish. Then we could get a few bullish patterns, maybe on the 5-minute. These would be basically indications, right, that more bullishness is coming into the market. This is not bullishness, this is bearishness, right? To be seen whether it follows through or not. So this is it.